Welcome to all. In this video, we'll discuss module 2 differential calculus 2, and the topic is Taylor series and Maclaurin series. Okay, so first we'll discuss Taylor series formula and Maclaurin series formula and problem based on the Maclaurin series. So in your exam point of view, Maclaurin series is important one. So first we'll discuss the problem. And the last video I explained what is the formula for Maclaurin series and what is the formula for Taylor series. So directly we discuss the problem. Okay, if you have any doubts, go through the previous video. Yeah. So first problem, expand e power sin x up to the term containing x power 4 using Maclaurin series. So this is the university question. Yeah. So up to 4th degree. So given f of x equal to e power sin x, so we have to consider 4th degree and write the formula. So this is the first time differentiation, second time differentiation, third time differentiation, and fourth time differentiation at a point x equal to 0. Then we'll get the answer. So f of x equal to given function e power sin x, just to replace x equal to 0, we'll get f of 0 equal to e power sin 0, sin 0 equal to 0, so e power 0 equal to 1. Okay. And next one, f1 of x differentiation, e power sin x differentiation is e power sin x into sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay, so cos x into e power sin x, that is, can I write f of e power sin x equal to f of x, because given the function. Yes, so substitute x equal to 0, we'll get f of 0 cos 0 is 1. So f of 0 cos 0 is 1. So cos 0 is 1. What is f of 0? F of 0 is also 1. So 1 into 1, 1. And next come to this term, f 2 times second integration, second differentiation. So f of x differentiation is f1 of x and cos x, this is uv form. So minus f of x into cos x differentiation is sin x. Now substitute x equal to 0, we'll get second differentiation is 1. And next one, f triple dash of x. So that is again apply uv method for the first term and also the second term. So apply uv method for the first term and the second term. Clear? So this is the first term and the second term. We'll get f double dash of x into cos x minus 2 f dash of x into sin x. So substitute x equal to 0, we'll get 0. And next fourth one, again we have to apply uv method. Okay, for first term, second term and third term. So if you substitute again x equal to 0, we'll get 2. We will get 3. Then substitute all values in equation 1, we'll get 1 plus x into 1 plus x square by 2 into 1 plus x cube by 6 into 0 plus x power 4 divided by 24 into minus 3. So this is 0, so it will be cancelled. Only we'll get 1 plus x square by 2, this is 8 times, so x power 4 divided by 4. So this is the expansion of e power sin x. So e power sin x expansion is 1 plus x square by 2 minus x power 4 divided by 8. So second problem, previous problem is e power only sin x, here e power x into sin x, same up to the 4th degree. So f of x equal to e power x into sin x. So write the formula up to the 4th degree. So our aim is to find f of 0, f1 of 0, f2 of 0, f3 of 0, f4 of 0. So directly substitute x equal to 0, that is f of 0, differentiation, again this differentiation, again this term differentiation, again this term differentiation. So f of x, directly substitute x equal to 0, we'll get 1. So again this term differentiation. So e power x into sin x, this is uv method. So x into cos x plus sin x. Substitute x equal to 0, we'll get 0. And next one, so let us take f1 of x equal to, because this is f of x, so f of x into x cos x plus sin x. So second time differentiation. So this is uv method. So differentiation, take the second term plus take this term and this term differentiation. and substitute x equal to 0, we'll get 2. Similarly, f3 of x and f4 of x. Okay, apply UV method and substitute x equal to 0, we'll get the solution. After that solution you have to substitute in equation 1. So f of x equal to 1 plus x into 0 plus x square by 2 plus x cube into 0 plus x power 4 over 24 into 8. So clearly this is 0 and this term also 0. So only we'll get 1 and x square, this 2 cancel, x square, and this is 3 time cancel, so x power 4. So this is e power x into sin x expansion. Okay, so easily we have to evaluate this solution by using Maclaurin series. So one more problem we'll discuss, important problem. So Maclaurin series explain the function is square root of 1 plus sin 2x. So take the function f of x equal to square root of 1 plus sin 2x. So this is the formula for Maclaurin series. So clearly our aim is to find f of 0, f1 of 0, f2 of 0, f3 of 0, f4 of 0. If you substitute given function x equal to 0, we'll get this one. This is differentiation, this one, and differentiation here, and this term differentiation one more time, and this term differentiation one more time. So everything is differentiation. After that substitute x equal to 0 in the given function. So before solving this problem, we can use here one formula, 1 plus sin 2x. So 1 plus sin 2x is nothing, sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. This is important one. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b the whole square. So this term cancel. So clearly sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 and sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. That's why I'm substitute this formula. Okay, how to get this value means by using this formula. So now I replace 1 plus sin 2x, square root of 1 plus sin 2x is a cos x plus sin x. This is our new formula. Okay, so this is our new function. So hereafter we can use only this function. So f of 0 equal to cos 0 plus sin 0 equal to 1. Next, normal differentiation, first time differentiation, substitute x equal to 0, second time differentiation and substitute x equal to 0, third time differentiation and substitute x equal to 0, fourth time differentiation, substitute x equal to 0. So we'll get the solution. Substitute all value in equation 1. So f of x equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square by 2 into minus 1 plus x cube by 6 into minus 1 plus x power 4 divided by 24 into 1. So simplify this one, we'll get solution f of x equal to 1 plus x minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 6 plus x power 4 divided by 4. This is expansion of square root of 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, this is the formula for square root of 1 plus sin 2x expansion. Okay, not only this function, each and every function we can evaluate the expansion by using Taylor's Maclaurin series. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss 3 problems: e power sin x, expansion of e power sin x, and expansion of e power x into sin x, and expansion of square root of 1 plus sin 2x. So everything is expansion. How to find expansion by using the Maclaurin series. So the topic is the process is nothing, just you can use the formula. After that find what is f of 0, f dash of 0, and f double dash of 0, and f triple dash of 0, f fourth dash of 0. Okay, so I hope you are all understand how to evaluate Maclaurin series. In the previous video also I explained our formula for the Maclaurin series and formula for the Taylor series and explain 1 or 2 problem. So this is the very important topic. Okay, that's why I'm taking 2 videos for the same concept. So if you have any doubt, you can text me or comment in the YouTube. I will explain clearly once again. Okay, so thank you to all.